Meaning of dispatch box.
Dispatch box.
Dispatch box.
Dispatch box.
Dispatch box. The dispatch box is a red wooden box located on the table in the chamber of the British House of Commons. It is used by the Chancellor of the Exchequer, the Prime Minister, and other senior government officials to hold their notes and dispatches during debates. The origin of the name is uncertain, but it is believed to refer to the fact that important government dispatches were once stored in the box. Today, the dispatch box is an iconic symbol of British political discourse and the power and authority that come with holding high office.